Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share, and let me show you some of the items that I picked up. I picked up these balloon sticks. You get 12 balloon sticks in these, and this is what it looks like. It's just like a very long straw, and they are 20 inches long. So you take one of these straws and you get a cap like this. I guess you put your balloon through here and then it clips on here like this. So that's not why I bought it though. I might use it later on for that, but right now I wanted a new stake for my plant holders. I made some plant holders a while back, but I need to make some more, and I'm thinking that if I can take some tags like this and make it look pretty, then I can tuck it into these grooves right here. See, something like this, right? And I can have like a cute little stake sticking out of my plant pots. I don't know, that's my plan. I'm not sure, because I have the name tags that I made, they actually go like this, so I might do the same again. Instead of using these clips, maybe I can tack it down this way. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to work out, but I will share that with you. Now, they do have some different balloon sticks when you go to Dollar Tree, so take a look. They have one that's even longer, but you only get, I want to say like maybe four stakes, but you get two pieces like this, and then you connect them, and then you put your balloon on top. But I needed a lot of these sticks, so I got this one. I mean, this will work for my project, so that's why I picked those up. Besides the balloon sticks, I picked up a few other items. I kind of like just picked up, odds and ends. I was just looking and I'm like, ooh, that looks cute, so I bought them. I bought this fan. Look at this. Isn't that just pretty? I love that. And normally when you buy these fans, you get the straight holders on there. But look at that. I like it so much, I bought two. Now these fans are really nice to have. I mean, they won't last forever. Eventually something will snap, so I picked up an extra one. Now they do have some other designs too, and these are all like on an end cap with Mother's Day items. So look at that, how beautiful. I love it. And then I also picked these up. These are flour bath salt. So you get 3.5 ounce in each tube. And there are at least two different types when I went to my store. I think the other one was lavender. I'm trying to think. But I picked up the rose one. I want the tube themselves because I plan to make a Halloween project using these tubes. Because large test tubes are hard to find. I noticed that because last Halloween I tried looking for some and I wasn't very successful at all, so I picked up 6 of these. I might go ahead and pick up some more just so I have the test tubes with me, But look at this in here. It's got like the petals in there, the rose petals and the salt. It looks so pretty, so that's why I was thinking I'll just go ahead and use it as a vase filler. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll put like a floral arrangement, or I'll do something else with it, but it's definitely going in a cute little vase. And then let's see, I picked those up, and then I also picked up some sequins. Now these are the coastal colors. I like these. I needed these for a project I'm working on, so I needed I think the teal one, I like that one, but I don't know, I might just end up using all the colors in here because you get like the green, the light teal, a limey color, or maybe an olive color. It's kind of weird. And then you get your blue, and then you get your teal. So if this is teal, this is probably turquoise, right? And then you get like a bluish grayish color. See there? Isn't that neat? I love the colors. So you get 6 different colors, and I picked up 2 packages for my project. And I picked up some other coastal items too. I finally found these at my store. See? Well, they didn't have this over in the coastal section. I was in the checkout line, and because the line was so long, I was just like, you know, trying to entertain myself at the line, and then I saw this. Somebody had changed their mind, and I'm like, woohoo! I was like, oh, so lucky. So I found 3. So I picked up all 3 of them. I love the colors. These 3 colors here, the white, the navy blue, and the teal color. So cute. And I love the sand dollars. I wish that Dollar Tree would sell the sand dollars like this in the, the laser cutouts. It would be nice. And then you get the starfish. Nice, right? I like these. I don't know if we can find it in like other different charms. These were the only 3 that I found, so I picked them up. I also found these ones. Now these are, the garlands with the square cubes, but it has the shell, the scallop shells. See there? Or clams, whichever one you call it. So I found, I believe 3. Yep, I found 3, so I picked them all up. And, sometimes I want to use this shape here, the clams, and it'll work well. And then, of course, I need to figure something out, because I do have a lot of these square beads. I need to create something with those. So I got those. And then I found the turtles. Now, when I went shopping for my coastal items, my store didn't have any of these turtles, but I was able to find it at another store, so I picked up 2 packages. See there? I like these turtles. They're so cute. And I like to fill in that hole too. I don't care for the hole being right there, so I'll just take a wood filler and fill those in. So you get 6 turtles in each package, so I'm gonna have that on hand when next time I need it. And other coastal items I picked up are these. Look, they're the natural jute cord. I do have some, but I needed some more, so I had enough on hand for my projects. So I picked up the white and the natural color. I picked up the red and natural color. And then they had the navy blue one with the natural color. So I picked up 1 roll each of those. I'm quite happy I found those, because I have a feeling I'm going to need those extra ones. And then my store had these in stock too. So they are the macrame cotton twine. And you get 65.6 feet of these macrame yarns. And I'm going to use this for my coastal projects. This macrame yarn, I think it's just the right size for what I have in mind. So I picked up 2 of these. And since I was picking up those, I went ahead and picked up 2 of these just cotton yarns. And then this is in the cream color. And then I like this color too. It works really well, blends really well for coastal projects and other projects too. It's very versatile. I like this yarn. So I picked up 2 more of these. I bought 2 of these macrame kits, and they make bracelets. Look at that. Cute. So you get the black, the teal, and a natural color string in there. So I was thinking coastal colors. It'll work really well. And I want to make these bracelets for myself, and I'm gonna wear them all, 3 stacked bracelets together. I think it'll be really cute. Now I want to change out the beading though, because it comes with like gold beads, and you get the extra charms also. But I want to switch those out. Maybe like replace the charms with maybe some seashells or something like that. I think it'll turn out really cute. So I picked up 2 in case I made, an error on the first one. I had to have backup. And then I found this fan. It's a teal fan. It's all plastic. And it requires 2 AA batteries, and you're going to need a screwdriver to take that screw out so you can put the batteries in. I was asking the girl at the register, I was like, how are these fans? Are they good? Or, any ideas? She was like, if they're really popular, and she said, so far no one's returned one, so they must work really well. And I'm like, okay, give me one. I want the teal one. So that's for me. And then I picked up one of these. It's a grilled scrubber by Cooking Concept. And I want to DIY this one also. I want to make a press for my stamping platforms when you stamp, so I can use this to press and make sure everything is adhering to my bottom paper when I'm stamping. So instead of going like this with your fingers to make sure that everything is all pressed in, I can use this one. I have another project that I want to do using a candle holder or a candle container. So I'm going to do that one, and then I'm going to use this one too. Make 2 different ones and then see which one will work better. I'm going to pull the scrubber off this one and replace it with some felt padding. And that is my idea. And I will share that with you and see how that one turns out. And then the last items I picked up are these cute little tubs. Look at that. It is a furniture place set for fashion dolls. It says fits most 11.5 inch. I think they mean the doll when they say that fits most 11.5. And this is a Greenbrier product. So every year I miss out on these little tubs. And I bought them for my Halloween props. Because my skeletons, they have to take baths. So I picked up 2. And I'm quite happy I found tubs. And I found 2 of that. So I'm going to put this aside and save it for Halloween. I might do a little embellishing. I'm not sure yet, but how cute, right? Look at this. It's got the faucet, and it has the little spout for the water. Just cute. So I got that, and that is everything that I picked up on this trip. I put batteries in the fan. I want to try it. So you don't have to put the screw back in, because look, the thing, it snaps in and it stays put. So let me turn this on. You hear that? It's like a really gentle hum. It's not loud. Cute. It works well if you're, up close and personal. Let me grab some tissue. Let's see. You see that? It's like a little nice little breeze coming off this fan. Cute. Now, if you have it across the room, I don't think you'll be able to get that breeze going. Maybe, close. And then I was thinking, well, how about if you use it on projects like if you're painting, on those any project that requires dry time, this would be good. Just set it there, on your project and let it dry because, like I said, look at that. It's just a very gentle breeze coming off of there, so it'll be a wonderful thing to have. So I'm glad I picked it up. So cute. I hoped I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up the next time you go to Dollar Tree and that you find everything you have on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.